San Francisco, land of AI innovation, crippling social disparity, and big-ass red bridge for some reason, is also home to Giga Nerd conventions. And we're currently working towards one of them, OpenSauce, where I'm going to present a sick-ass nerd project, which is perfect for this fucked up city.
A few months ago, I took inspiration from Tamagotchi to create this giant fucked up version of it. It's going way beyond the original gameplay, recreating all aspects of real-life troubles. Student debts, burnout, drug addictions, just like the capitalistic hellhole in which we currently live in.
That shit was genuinely insane. So insane, in fact, that it didn't work.
Oh. Hi, your project has been rejected. Please refrain from submitting broken projects that are just
too shitty?
OpenSauce admin.
Right, that might be because
The Tamagotchi was composed of 4 components: the case, the hardware, the buttons, and the software. And every single one of those had a problem. Every single measurement of the case was wrong. The buttons literally kept tweaking out like some junkie in the basement. The hardware, let's not even talk about the hardware. And the code made the game so fucking hard to beat
this is impossible.
that it made the toaster bathtub combo look tasty.
But fixing it was a lot of work, and the doom scrolling was so sweet.
Who's gonna carry the boat, son?
I'm gonna carry the fucking boats.
So to fix the major problem, which was the 3D print itself, instead of trusting the measurements from the shitty Amazon page, I had to actually take them myself.
And with just a couple of clicks and the magic sauce of Blender, we get a sick new 3D design. Now I just gotta drop it into a 3D printing service and...
The hole is the perfect size for the screen. We got air vent, a charging port. Compared to the last one, it's night and day.
And with the prints in hand, it was time to beat the living shit out of the biggest problem of the build.
The core of the project is the tiny computer right here, a Raspberry Pi, to which you attach an interface to actually send the game to the screen. You can directly plug the screen to this. Now the problem is that the interface is plugged into the same pins as the buttons. So there might be a little bit of electric fuckery going on in there, where the signals are mixing and so something's burning. So you know me, I did a little bit of electronics magic with a couple of resistors and capacitors.
Yeah, that's gotta fix it.
That didn't fix it.
So as a last resort, we're gonna check the documentation, because surely there's gonna be something very comprehensive about this specific issue. Yep. This is the Raspberry Pi Zero. It's the fucked up dwarf cousin of the original Raspberry Pi. It's smaller, more energy efficient, but more importantly, it fits the RGB-LED-matrix bonnet from Adafruit. Whoa, it's a big company. I paid a lot of money for that shit. It's better documented, I guess. And if it doesn't work, I swear to...
So I checked that there were actual free GPIO pins, and I soldered the buttons with just a couple of third-degree burns.
Oh, yes.
And that shit worked really good.
So good, in fact, that it cleared the next problem. Changing the hardware made everything so much more compact.
Which leaves the big ass fucking elephant in the room, or whatever the saying is. The game is currently unplayable because it's too hard, especially in a speedrun setting.
So I got my best agent on the case.
I just cloned the repo.
This is my friend Alessio. He's a software engineer, he's very gay, and he does coding for fun.
The first order of business is actually having the possibility to run it on the computer at the same version that is running on the RGB matrix.
So we spent hours working on tiny fucking details just to make the game possible. Well, at least he did. I mostly pretended to code. Sorry.
Oh, it's working.
It is?
So with the new code, I can just add this little flag over here, and then I can run the exact same script I run on the Pi, but on the computer. That allows me to add new features and test them instantly.
So like before, we got the main script. Its job is to coordinate multiple classes. Classes are like individual computing cells. They get initialized and then they handle their own shit. We have the controls class, the graphics class, the stats class, and finally the states class. The states class holds a bunch of data called variables. It keeps track of the current screen, the stage of life of the Tamagotchi, and the state of every single minigame. And I just need to make tiny adjustments to all of those. More platforms, less tasks, faster interactions, and cheaper housing.
Hey, that's mine now. That's mine. You have to go. Thank you so much. Thank you. And now we just have the finishing touch on the sweet, sweet 3D prints.
What the fuck is that?
And the rest is history.
I packed my bag and boarded the plane to the other side of the world. I then soaked in some local culture
made my way to the conference center, hopped the fence, bribed the security agent for a pass, and found a booth to take over and spread the word of the Christ.
Drug addiction, crack addiction, getting addicted to crack addiction, crack addiction, crack addiction, crack addiction, crack addiction, crack addiction.